Hi kids, welcome back again in today's amazing video. So guys, today I am here to talk about the right places inside a woman's honeypot that every man should master and know how to handle these places inside a woman's honeypot. Guys, if you can be able to master this on this video properly, trust me, you will not have a problem with your woman, even if she doesn't have self-control. But anytime you are knacking her, you are always doing this thing that I'm about to say. Trust me, whenever she remember it, she'll be like, wow, I cannot wait for you to do me that kind of a thing over and over again. But before I dive into this video, guys, if this is the first time of coming across to my channel, guys, you are highly welcome. And for my audience, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and all your support. Okay, trust me, I do. Now, as a man, if you have never do this in your entire life, but you are always knacking a woman, be it your girlfriend, maybe your ex-girlfriend or your ex-wife, or if you have never done this before, that might be the reason why you had a problem in your past relationship. But currently now, I want you to start doing this so that you don't have problem again. As a man that you are, you need this information to maintain your relationship, to always make her happy, and to also enjoy what knacking all by yourself, and also for her to enjoy your services. Now, number one place that you should keep your joystick inside the honeypot is what? Her engine, the head of her engine. Now, I'm going to explain what engine is in a woman's honeypot. When you get a woman's honeypot, there is this little knot there. So the knot is called what? Engine. Yes, I know there is a proper way. There is a name for it, but because of this platform, I cannot be mentioning the name so that they will not, you understand. So that knot, it is called what? The knot is usually like this. So it is called what? Engine. So that engine that is like this, on top of it, at the head of that engine, guys, before you start knacking a woman, just after all the play and everything, carry your joystick. But it's that time that your joystick is strong, very, very active. I'm not talking about those ones that when they're active, when their joystick will be very strong, and when they want to enter it to become dead. You cannot do this. So it should just become like a vegetable. You cannot do this. I'm talking about those ones that are physically okay, that their joystick is so good, and not all the good people. Now, carry that your joystick, just place it here. Place it on top of the engine, at the head of the engine here. You see, you are going to see the little opening, the engine here. And when you place it here, just all you have to do is to keep on using your joystick to be, touching it a little. You understand, guys? Whenever you are touching a woman using this method with your joystick at the engine head, trust me, she will go gaga, like she will be crazy. Like after the whole thing, then let me just surprise you. After 2 or 3 days or even 1 week, anytime she remember, in fact, her mind will not move away from such experience. Like she will always remember it. Like anytime she remember it, guys, it will be as if let her come over again. Do you understand? That is the number one place that if you have not been putting your joystick, the moment you land it, you will see yourself inside the woman's honeypot. Please start making use of it today as you're watching this video. You understand? Now, for those of you who are married, please do it with your woman. Do this to your woman and see how that woman, the type of food, the type of dish that woman will give you, the type of, you'll be surprised. In fact, let me just say nothing yet, but try and do this. Start doing it today. The number 2 place that you should always put your joystick inside a woman's honeypot is what? Inside the main engine. Now you are putting your joystick on the head of the engine. Now inside the engine, which is inside the main engine, right? Put your joystick, target that place, locate it. If If you don't know how to locate it, try as much as possible to do what to locate it. Once you locate it, now put your your joystick inside that place. Leave it for some while. As you leave it, in fact, you within yourself, you'll be feeling it. Your joystick will still remain active and strong. Like it will just be like as if you want to knack, even if it's doing, even if like you are being tempted to knack, even when your joystick is inside the engine. Do not knack. Remember, you just want to make her to go crazy, right? That is the title of this video. You just want to make her to feel something, right, guys? Just the what I'm your engine, like just the what I'm your joystick inside that engine, and watch the play. She will be the first. She will use her hand to push it inside. When she's trying to push it, remove it. When you are removing it, in fact, you see her becoming so annoyed. So when you see that the annoyance has become so, so uncontrollably, you can just messy her. And then because at that time that she's doing that, she's not herself any longer. She has traveled to Japan. In fact, she has missed her road. Now you are the one to do what? To show her the road that leads to what? To home. By what? By knacking her properly. You understand? You just want to pity her and bring her back home. Okay, so guys, that's just the end of this video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if your joystick is not strong, do not even try doing this. That is why I keep on telling you guys, I have something that can make your joystick to be very strong and be qualified to do this test that I just told you and I just lectured you now. It's a very great lecture. This is a very great lecture, guys. There is no woman that you will do this that will not even that will not keep on taking you over and over again. And when she remember that this thing that this man did today or this guy did today, no other man has ever done it for me. Let me just tell you, she will remain faithful to you. She will remain so committed to you. Like she will not even want to waste her time with the other persons who doesn't even know all these tricks during knacking, or before knacking. So if your joystick is not strong enough, please do not bother, because don't even try it. You need to make your joystick to become active and very strong. If your joystick is not big enough, you can as well enhance it using my Odogu Herbal mixture. Okay, it is called Odogu Herbal mixture, my main enhancement. That is the product name that I named it. Okay, Odogu Herbal mixture. Then if you are going through this weak erection problem, maybe because of health challenges such as diabetes, high BP, pie, long untreated infection, post-rate, these are the things that can cause your weak erection. Yes, it can cause it. And if you are developing post-rate enlargement already, it can also, yes, post-rate enlargement that have not been diagnosed, it is developing, it is coming out newly. It can also make you to have weak erection during knacking, especially when you have entered inside the woman's honey pot. It will just become like vegetable, guys. That is the most. If you are experiencing this, guys, run for test. Go and do some post-rate test. You understand? It might be that your post-rate is beginning to develop inside, but you don't know. Okay, and if you have done running the test and it seems like the test is now negative, right? Run for what? Check your diabetes level. Also check your hypertension, and also check pie. At times you might have pile inside, but you don't know that you have pie. You understand? So these are the things that affect men mostly. It affects men, their functions, it affects them. So if you're a man here and you don't have any of this, but it is not your Odogu is not giving you what you want, you understand? All you have to do is to take what? Sugar flusher. Take sugar flusher, flush away sugar completely out from your system, and trust me, your Odogu will bounce back. And the way you are taking sugary things, okay? Go for organic food. Once in a while, blend tiger nuts and drink. If you don't have any of this issue I'm talking about, it's not when you have all this issue you start drinking tiger nuts, it will not help you. Okay, it's when you don't have any issue but you are experiencing weak erection. Once in a while, blend tiger nuts milk and like organic tiger nuts, blend it and then sieve it and then drink the the juice is going to help you. You understand? Then if you want to enhance it, you need something that will enhance it naturally, that will make it stronger naturally without giving you side effect. Then come and get my local herbal mixture. Okay, whether you want it bigger, you want it longer, you want it stronger, come and get it. And remember, we ship everywhere. We ship all over the place. Whether you're watching me from US, you're watching me from Canada, from UK, Australia, any place you're watching me from, guys, we ship anywhere. We don't scam people. So when you pay, we ship to you. All you have to do is to follow the procedure and be taking it. Trust me, before you know it will correct that problem. Do you understand? So guys, that's just the end of this video. And if you want to order for my products, all you have to do is to send me a WhatsApp message on +234 9059857779. I'm still going to drop my number at the comment section or on this video. If that is fine, remember to edit my video to edit my number on this video. Okay, so guys, that's just the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Remember blessed. Bye.